Welcome to today's reading of the book Skeleton Hiccups. I am Gina Antrim and I'm an AAC SLP, and today I will be providing aided language input on the TD Snap vocabulary word wall poster from Toby Dinebox. Alright, so we will be reading the book Skeleton Hiccups. The person who made our story, the author, is Marjorie Culler. And the person who made the pictures, our illustrator, is S.D. Schindler. And if we look at our front page here, or our front cover, we will see that there's a skeleton who's drinking some water and holding his nose. I wonder what's going on. All right, over here on the left side, you will have a tab for your keyboard. So we could go to our keyboard right now and find the letters H-I-C, because we see those 3 letters repeated 3 times here. And that just tells us the sound that we make whenever we have hiccups. It kind of sounds like ick, ick, ick. So that is what, whenever we see those letters together, that's what it's telling us is going on in the story. Here's our copyright page. It tells us when and where our story was made. And here's our title page again, and it says Skeleton Hiccups. I want to point out, though, that our first C here, it's colored differently. So if I go to my description, I can find the word different. Just like on the cover, it's red. It is not white like the rest of the letters. And we will also see the 3 lines here showing that the skeleton skull, it's shaking, because whenever we have the hiccups, we kind of shake a little and our body moves. All right, skeleton woke up. Oh, he had the hiccups. Oh man, I know I do not like having the hiccups. He took a shower. He was shaking so much that the soap bar, it fell out and down on the floor. Oh, it's not good. He brushed his teeth. And his teeth fell out, guys. Ugh, it's not good. All right, here's a little bit of a different word. It's polished here. So after we take a shower, like Skeleton did, we will often put on lotion to make our skin soft and smooth. Well, he has bones here and not skin. So he is doing something a little different. He's gonna polish his bones with the polish from the container and a rag. And woo! Uh-oh! It's going to make his bones shiny and smooth. All right, so he polished his bones, but his arm fell off because he was shaking so much. He carved a pumpkin. Oh. But usually we want the lines to be straight. Not always, but usually. And his are all curvy and all over the place. Did not work. He raked some leaves. So he tried to put them in a pile, but because he was and shaking, they ended up going all over. He played with ghosts. And he did not catch the baseball because he was shaking so much. His hat is even falling off. So Ghost, he told him, hold your breath. It did not work. He said, eat, so I could go to my more actions here and find eat some sugar. That did not work either. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. That did not work. Drink, so I could go to my more actions again, some water. Upside down. What? That did not work. So Ghost, he made a face. That didn't work. He said, boo, to Skeleton. That did not work. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. So then Ghost, he got smart. I wonder what he is looking for. He found a mirror. He held it up. Skeleton screamed. And we see the HIC, they got bigger and bigger, and they're kind of going off instead of staying close to his mouth. Guys, the hiccups left. They jumped away. Hooray! All right, that's the end of our story. I hope that you liked our story, and I hope you will join us again for another reading of a different book. Thank you so much. Bye.